I needed a warm mist humidifier, so I hit Walmart's fan and humidifier aisle, and I usually grab a Vicks, but I didn't see any. Instead, I saw this Mainstays humidifier for $15, so I was like, why not? After a few refills, I started to notice this brown tinged water with rust bits floating around. And then after like 45 days, it just stopped working completely. So I figured, all right, it's time to clean the electrodes. I had done it before with the Vicks model. So I go to open it up, and this is what I see. One stainless steel electrode is completely gone. It's just disintegrated. And the other one's just a rusty mess. So now this $15 humidifier is now a useless water-filled paperweight. Compare that to the Vicks. This was $18. And they use graphite electrodes. And the way I clean these off, I usually just take like a butter knife and scrape this off. Or I'll soak it in some vinegar water and it'll come right clean and I can use it again. So here's the kicker. This Mainstays stainless steel electrodes might release toxic chromium fuse. It's carcinogenic stuff. And also it's planned obsolescence. They build this to fail, so you got to buy another one. But you get this graphite electrodes here. It's built to be cleaned. Well, I'm not sure that you're supposed to take this apart, but you can take it apart. You can clean it and it'll work just fine. And it's only $3 more. Stay away from this one. Get you a Vicks if you want a small room humidifier that works. Pro tip is that you're not going to find this in the humidifier aisle. This is located in the pharmacy section. And if you need a bigger humidifier, I suggest that you check out Technology Connections video on humidifiers. It's awesome. Otherwise, if you don't have time for all that, I just suggest that you go with this. I got one right here. It's the Air Care Mini Console. I'll leave a link in the description.